Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm Jason Hurt. Welcome to Quarantine Kitchen. I know, it sucks. We're gonna have to be home for the next 30 days or so. And you're probably gonna exhaust every single streaming service out there. If you're gonna do it, you might as well have a good snack. Mexico is coming through your living room, baby. Because I'm making mango guacamole, and it's gonna be spicy. Mango, tomatoes. Oh. I love a red onion. Spicy.
Don't worry about the stems and cilantro. Just grab your knife and start chopping.
These little guys remind me of my gambling days. All you gotta do is roll them up, tuck your fingers in, and start to slice. Girl, you gotta peel me like an onion. The mango is also a native of Mexico. It's one of the most tastiest and juiciest fruits on earth. I love you, mango. I never used to know how to cut this thing, but I figured it out. It doesn't stand on its own. So what you want to do is cut down across like this, and look, voila. Search for the middle. There's some kind of pit or something, and you just want to slice down.
So we cut it down the side like this, then we rotate, and we cut it down the other side like that.
Okay, so now that we have our mangoes cut, I'm gonna show you a little trick. All you gotta do is just cut straight down like so. And then, what do we have? A mango flower. Boop, boop, boop. Next, we're gonna use this hallelujah jalapeno. Now this is hot, so you don't wanna use the whole thing. You might want to use a quarter or maybe half. If not, it's gonna be a problem. Can't have guacamole with mango without the avocado for the guaco. You see, with this guy here, you know when that's brown, it's a good sign that he is ready. And then you squeeze it and it's not too hard either. So what you do is you take your knife and you insert. Cut. Rotate, pop the top on that thing. Whoop, drop top. All right, y'all, we've cut our avocado. Now we're gonna scrape it in our plato. I had to go to my mom, and this is what my grandmama gave her. And I'm pretty sure that 90% of Latins in America have this in their household. It's called El Pillon. Insert mango, and then your tomatoes, followed by red onion, cilantro, and salt. All right, you guys, we are ready. In this bowl, we have some avocado, we have some mango, we have some jalapeños, some red onions, some cilantro, some tomatoes. It is about to go down. Chips. All right, you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. We just made some amazing mango guacamole. I hope that you stay safe, stay healthy. We quarantining, y'all, so you know I'll be back. Peace. Oh, wait, I can't say it's amazing until I try it, right? Oh, yeah. You gonna love that. You gonna love that. Peace, y'all.